My dear friend, today we are discussing a very important topic, that is RLC resonance circuit. In RLC resonance circuit, resonance occurs when XL become equal to XC. XL means inductive reactance becomes equal to capacitive reactance, and power factor becomes unity. Circuit becomes purely resistive. At the XL is equal to XC, circuit becomes purely resistive and power factor becomes unity. In that case we say that there is a resonance circuit. XL is equal to XC, now omega L is equal to 1 by omega C, omega square is equal to 1 by LC, omega is equal to 1 by root over LC. Now in place of omega we will write 2 pi f. 2 pi fr here is equal to 1 by root over LC. Fi is the resonant frequency. Resonant frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC, where fr is resonant frequency. The resonant frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Under root LC. Now we will see the VL is equal to VC. In the resonance circuit, voltage across inductance is equal to voltage across capacitance. VL is equal to VC. VL is equal to VC. We will write that VL is equal to I into XL is equal to I into omega L, I into 2 pi FRL is equal to I 2 pi. In place of FR we will write this value. In place of FR we will write 1 by 2 pi under root LC. 2 pi cancel, so it will be I under root 1 by LC or into L. So now it will become I under root L by C, because L is equal to root L into root L. So this will cancel. 1 root L will be cancelled. Here will be 1 root L, there will be 1 root C is equal to L by C. Now I is equal to V by R. Now I is equal to V by R. VL is equal to V by R under root L by C is equal to V under root L by C R square, because R square when come out it will become R. R square coming out of a square root it will be R. So now this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1, that VL is equal to V under root L by CR square. This is 1. Another VC. VC is equal to I into XC. I into 1 by omega C is equal to I into 1 by 2 pi FR into C is equal to I 1 by 2 pi. In place of FR resonant frequency we will keep this value 1 by 2 pi under root LC into C. Again 2 pi cancel. This will be I. Now here is C, here is root C. So 1 root C will be here and there will be cancel out. So I 1 by I divided by under root C by L is equal to I under root L by C. Again we will put I is equal to V by R. V by R under root L by C. This R will go inside of the square root. This R will go inside of the square root. So it will become V under root L by CR square. This is VC. VC is equal to, this is equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, VL is equal to VC. Proved. VL is equal to VC. ये हम लोग दो इक्वेशन लिख करके VL, जब VL स्टार्ट किए इसका मान भी आया V अंडर रूट L बाई सी आर स्क्वायर. VC स्टार्ट किए, यहाँ से लिखते I इंटू 1 बाई ओमेगा, सो ओमेगा के 2 पाई एफ आर के जगह फिर 1 बाई 2 पाई अंडर रूट एल सी. ये कैंसिल हो गया. I बाई अंडर रूट सी बाई एल, ये हो गया I अंडर रूट एल बाई सी. I की जगह फिर V बाई आर एल बाई सी. तो VC is equal to V under root L by CR square. This value and this value is same. So from equation number 1 and 2, VL बराबर VC. Now the property of RLC series frequency resonant circuit. सीरीज रिजोनेंट सर्किट. पहला हो गया XL इक्वल टू XC. दूसरा हो गया VL इक्वल टू VC. तीसरा हो गया करंट I इज मैक्सिमम, that is I is equal to V by R. चौथा हो गया इम्पीडेंस इज मिनिमम, Z is equal to R. The circuit is purely resistive. When XL is equal to XC, power factor becomes 1 and circuit becomes purely resistive. Impedance is minimum, that power factor cos phi is equal to 1. Power consumed is maximum. Power consumed maximum. And VL is equal to VC. This is greater than supply voltage V. VL is equal to VC is greater than supply voltage V. Now this completed. The RLC series circuit resonance completed following the parameters, and we have already proved VL is equal to VC from two equations. VL is equal to VC. Now resonant frequency Fi is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC, and this is the property of RLC series circuit, in which the power factor cos phi is equal to 1. This condition is same for parallel and series. Parallel resonant circuit, this condition is also same for RLC parallel resonant circuit. Like in series circuit. सीरीज सर्किट और पैरेलल सर्किट में ये कंडीशन पावर फैक्टर कॉस फाई 1 दोनों सर्किट के लिए होता है, तभी सर्किट रेजोनेंट सर्किट में कन्वर्ट होगा। चाहे वो सीरीज सर्किट हो आईएलसी या आईएलसी पैरेलल सर्किट हो, दोनों ही हालत में पावर फैक्टर को कॉस फाई 1 होना है, तभी वह रेजोनेंट सर्किट कहलाएगा। इस तरह से अब सीरीज सर्किट कंप्लीट हो गया। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।